Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy. Welcome to another episode of Paradise Property Previews. Today we're heading to the La Crucecita area of Huatulco. It is where the Zocalo is. It's where there's a beautiful church, lots of restaurants. This is a great area to be located in if you're considering spending some time here in Huatulco. So we're going to go see a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo, and I want you to come see it with me. So let's go. Now you may have seen some of my past videos featuring what we call Quinta Avenida or Fifth Avenue. Fifth Avenue connects Santa Cruz with La Crucecita. So you can literally walk about 1.5 kilometers up and over a little hill and you're in Crucecita from Santa Cruz, and of course vice versa. Okay, well this place is light, it's bright, it's not huge, but it's got 2 bedrooms, it's got 1 bath, it's got plenty of room for you to come and stay here in Huatulco, whether you want to do that part-time, sometime, or all the time. Okay, so we've got a washer dryer over here in the laundry room area. You've got a instant on hot water heater. You've got a pressure regulator so that your pressure is nice. Stainless steel appliances, granite on the countertops, ample lighting everywhere. You're in the part of Huatulco where your utility bills are going to be lower than other areas. So the historical utility rates here are very, very attractive because we all know that live here, we all know that the most expensive thing that we ever run in our house is the AC. And those ACs not only work well, they're efficient, and the rate you're being charged here at this unit is lower than many other places. Okay, so I told you about the location of this place. It's literally steps from downtown. Yes, the Zocalo, all the restaurants, all the shops, everything that you need is literally within walking distance of this unit. It is very, very conveniently located, and the price is probably going to surprise you. So hit me up at info@paradiseguy.com right now. I'll send you the latest information on pricing and availability. And of course, if you have questions about any other properties in and around Huatulco, I can also send you information about those as well. So as you can see back there on the wall, you got room for a nice big television right up there. You've got some furniture in here, not a lot, but you've got, this nice couch over here. You've got really nice finishes throughout. You've got nice little accents like the lighting in the ceiling. You've got the beautiful ceiling fans. You got granite on the countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances, and you've even got this little box here where you can see people down at the front gate with a camera, and you can buzz them in if they want to come up and visit you. Okay, I love this accent wall underneath the kitchen countertop. And here's the first bedroom. Let's head on in. First thing you see is the lighted accent wall. framed nicely between the two windows that let in lots of natural light to the room, plenty of closet space, the all-important air conditioner, and an accent wall. Beautiful fan up top too. Tile on the floor goes with the room perfectly. Let's head into the bathroom. First thing you notice is that the fixtures are very nice. You've got that same countertop from the kitchen in the bathroom. You've got tile that goes all the way up the wall and a beautiful rain shower to enjoy. Nice textured accent wall here. Great choice of tile. And matching tile on the floor. Let's head in to the second bedroom. Now you'll notice that these bedrooms are basically mirror images of each other. They're identical in almost every aspect. Nice ceiling fans too. I also like that both these bedrooms have lots of closet space, so you're really not going to be at a shortage of places to put your 3 swimsuits, 2 pairs of flip-flops, and 4 shirts. At least that's what I have. Okay, so now that you've seen the inside of this property, what I want to do is I want to take you around the neighborhood. I want to show you the La Crucecita area so that you can appreciate the location that this place truly offers. Hey, we're already here. Okay, welcome to the Zocalo. Yes, this is the center square of La Crucecita. This is a 5-minute walk from the place I just showed you. So if you want to talk about convenience, this place has a walkability factor of like 10 plus. It's really quite amazing to be within walking distance of so many restaurants, so many shops, and so many good things to partake in. I mean, there's mezcalerias down here, there's fine dining, there's of course shops where you can buy anything you can imagine, and of course there's fruit and vegetable stands and much, much more. If you'd like more information on La Crucecita, please hit me up at info@ParadiseGuy.com. Happy to answer all your questions. Now let's head back to the condo. Hey, well, it's certainly been my privilege and pleasure to show you this beautiful little property here in La Crucecita today. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Paradise Property Previews. Lots more of these videos coming your way, so if you haven't done so already, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you turn on notifications, and if you like this video or any of the others you watch, please give us a thumbs up. With that, my name is William Narod. As always, I am the Paradise Guy. We'll see you on the next video. Cheers, amigos.